Sometimes, from X or Twitter, if any update is there related to X or their products, you'll get those notifications in your email. If you don't want these kinds of notifications, you can disable them. In this video, we'll be telling you how to disable these kinds of notifications. For this open X application. After that, above, you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you click on that, here you can see Settings and Support. Click on Settings and Support. When you click on that, here you can see Settings Privacy. Click on Settings Privacy. And when you click on that, here you can see Notifications. Click on Notifications. And here you can see Preferences. Click on Preferences. And when you click on that, here you can see Email Notifications. Click on this. And here you can see Email Notifications. If you don't want any email notifications from X or Twitter, you can disable this. Or, if you want to disable only updates related to X products and features, after turning this on, here you can see from X, and under that, you can see news about updates to X products and features. If it is turned on, just turn this off. After this, you will not get this type of notifications. So, this way, you can easily disable these notifications. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.